You heard it here first, fam. Mindset is everything. It's the secret sauce to success. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Without the right mindset, even the best strategies and plans can fall apart. It's bigger than your product, your marketing, your whatever. Your mindset shapes how you approach every challenge and opportunity. It influences your decisions, your actions, and ultimately, your results. It's about how you see the world. Do you see a world full of possibilities, or do you see a world full of obstacles? Your perspective can make all the difference. Do you see roadblocks, or do you see opportunities to hustle harder? Every challenge is a chance to grow, to learn, and to become better. Too many entrepreneurs get stuck in a negative headspace. They let fear and doubt take over. They focus on what's not working instead of what could be. They doubt themselves. They question their abilities. This kind of thinking can be paralyzing. It can stop you from taking the necessary steps to achieve your goals. That's a recipe for disaster. A negative mindset can lead to a downward spiral, where every setback feels like the end of the world. But here's the good news. You can change your mindset. It's not set in stone. With effort and practice, you can train your mind to see the positive, to focus on solutions rather than problems. You can choose to see the potential in every situation. That's how you win. By cultivating a positive mindset, you set yourself up for success. Remember, mindset is everything. And when it comes to platforms like Onpassive, having a positive mindset can make all the difference. Embrace the possibilities and watch your business thrive. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. So, what's this big mindset shift I'm talking about? It's simple. Stop seeing limits and start seeing possibilities. Every challenge is a chance to innovate. Every failure is a lesson learned. Every no gets you closer to a yes. Think about it. The most successful entrepreneurs, the ones who disrupt industries, they don't see the world like everyone else. They see what could be, not just what is. They're not afraid to take risks, to fail, to learn, and to come back stronger. Don't just take my word for it. Look at the legends who have shaped our world. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, turned an idea she had in her apartment into a billion-dollar business. She started with just $5,000 and a dream. She saw a problem with women's undergarments and created a solution that revolutionized the industry. Her journey wasn't easy, but she persevered. She didn't let self-doubt hold her back. Instead, she embraced challenges and turned them into opportunities. Or look at Steve Jobs, the visionary behind Apple. He revolutionized the tech industry multiple times with groundbreaking products like the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. He didn't accept the status quo. Instead, he constantly pushed the boundaries of what was possible. He challenged conventions and inspired his team to think differently. He had a vision, and he made it a reality through relentless innovation and determination. That's the power of mindset. It's about believing in your vision, overcoming obstacles, and never giving up. Section 4. Never stop learning, never stop growing. Here's the thing about mindset. It's not a one-time thing. It's a continuous journey, a commitment to self-improvement and growth. Every day presents a new opportunity to learn something new, to challenge yourself, and to expand your horizons. You gotta work on it every single day. It's like a muscle that needs regular exercise. The more you work on it, the stronger it becomes. Consistency is key. The world is changing fast and you gotta be ready to adapt. New technologies, new methodologies, and new challenges are emerging every day. Staying stagnant is not an option. That means being a student of the game. Read books, listen to podcasts, learn from mentors. Absorb knowledge from every possible source. The more diverse your learning, the more well-rounded you become. Never stop learning, never stop growing. Embrace every opportunity to expand your skill set and knowledge base. Attend seminars, take online courses, and engage in meaningful conversations. The more you know, the more confident you become. Knowledge is power, and with power comes confidence. Confidence to take on new challenges, to innovate, and to lead, and the more confident you are, the more you believe in your ability to succeed. It's a virtuous cycle. Confidence fuels success, and success fuels further learning and growth. So keep pushing forward, keep striving for excellence, and never stop learning. Section 5. Your turn. Embrace the shift. Own your success. So, are you ready to level up your business? It starts with your mindset. Embrace the shift from limits to possibilities. Believe in yourself and your vision. Don't be afraid to take risks and learn from your mistakes. This is your time. This is your moment. Go out there and crush it. I believe in you. For more information about success in marketing, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.